And for a quick Times Now news alert coming in at this moment, there seems to be no relief for former MLA Amar Mani Tripathi in the murder of Madhumata Shukla. The High Court has in fact upheld the trial court order of 2007 that had sentenced him to life imprisonment for hatching a conspiracy and murdering poetess Madhumita Shukla.
देखिए, न्यायालय के प्रति मेरी पूरी आस्था हमेशा रही है और हमेशा रहेगी, और इसीलिए कानून का सम्मान करते हुए मैंने अंत में न्यायालय से ही एक इच्छा मृत्यु की अनुमति मांगी है। लेकिन अब सवाल ये है कि निर्णय आ चुका है और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक सेटिस्फैक्शन हो रहा है, और मैं एक मधु से जो मैंने वादा किया था कि उसके हत्यारों को सज़ा कानून से दिलवाएंगे हम, तो ये वादा आज पूरा हुआ। और अब जाहिर सी बात है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइल करेगा। ये लड़ाई मेरी चलती रहेगी, अंत समय तक चलती रहेगी।
All right, let's go across now to our correspondent Pranshu Mishra, who's joining us for all the latest. Pranshu, while there is no relief for Amar Mani Tripathi, have you heard or got any reaction from his family members? And also on the other hand, we heard a family member, Nidhi Shukla, of from the family of Madhumita, who was expressing relief in this court order.
Well, Sanket, see, at the moment we haven't got any official version from the side of Amar Mani Tripathi, because see, Amar Mani Tripathi, his wife Madhumani, both are the prime accused in this case, and both are serving life imprisonment at the moment. But what the sources close to Amar Mani say, that logically they are going to appeal against the High Court's order in the Supreme Court. So that is probably the final step in this case, which the side of Amar Mani Tripathi is surely going to avail of. They are most likely to challenge this court, this order in the High Court, in the Supreme Court. But as of now, the Nainital High Court has clearly upheld the order of the CBI's trial court in Dehradun, which has sentenced Amar Mani, his wife Madhumani, Santosh Rai, and one other person to life imprisonment in this case. Remember, poetess Madhumita was murdered at her Lucknow residence in year 2003, and ever since then, Amar Mani has been facing the charges in this case. For past 5 years, he has been serving the jail term at the Dehradun district jail there. Now he has appealed to the High Court, but where again he hasn't got the relief. So clearly, sources close to Amar Mani saying that probably he will, in due course of time, take up this matter in Supreme Court also.